Clawdbot is a super hot topic nowadays. However, its installation is never easy. Today, I'm going to break it down for you. No matter you have or don't have technical background, it would be just like 20 minutes. So let's get started. So to install Clawdbot, you need to Google it for its website. Let's open the landing page. The landing page is not exactly useful at all. So we only need to scroll down and find the quick start section, and you can copy the command to install it. And when we go back to like a tool called terminal, so you can use the search to find the terminal, and you can paste the command here. And the first time when you install, it is likely to fail because they said you do not have the super administrator permission. However, you are likely to have. So how do we work around that? So we can type sudo and ls. Then it will ask you to type your macOS password. So here I just type it, and please note that here it won't show any password. So you just type it and press enter. And then we paste the command again and press enter. So it will install the tools automatically. It will take a while, especially on your new Mac.
A few moments later.
After a while, you can see there is a questionnaire for you. Basically, it will take like several minutes to complete. So here you cannot use your mouse to click. Basically, you need to use your keyboard, left or right arrow buttons. So we need the left button and then press enter. So the next is to select a mode. We need a quick start. So just enter. And then we need to select the model of provider. Here, I think most of you have a Google account, so we just use a Google account. You do not need any Google account subscription. So we need the down arrow button on your keyboard and select Google. Then there are some technical words, so don't worry. We need the second option, so down arrow, then enter. So after that, it will take like several seconds before it opening your default web browser where you need to sign in to your Google account. So here it's a bit slow, but I expect like it would take like several more seconds. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it opens the Google web page to sign in. So you need to select your account, any of your account. If you have like a Google subscription, you just use it, then just click sign in. Then you will see authentication complete. Then we go back to the terminal and we need to use the options. So by default, it is just like current option is Cloud Optus 4.5 syncing. That is the best option as now, so we use it. Click enter. Then we need to select a channel. Basically, it can connect to very popular tools like WhatsApp, Discord, or Slack. But for this part of this tutorial, we're just going to skip it. So we can go to the bottom. So basically, we can use a up arrow and go to the bottom and hit enter. So, and it comes to the next step which is to set up the skills now. And we're going to skip it because it's not very simple. It will take a very long time. So the next step is about the hooks. So we are also going to skip. So if you hit enter on your keyboard, it won't go, and it will show you need to use space and then enter. And here we go, space and enter. So it comes to the installation of the gateway services, and it will have the basic setup of your Clawdbot. And it will, on the top right corner, it will show the node is run the background. This is basically the underlying application where Clawdbot is running. So we allow and we are going to close this notification. And here is another question on the questionnaire. So how do you open the bot? So the TUI is pretty basic for programmers. It's not easy to use, so we are going to select the second option, down arrow, then hit enter. So it will open like basically a ChatGPT or Gemini like web page in your browser, and you can type hi to test it. It will use Google's API to generate a response, and here we go. And we can even ask the bot to check maybe for news today. Check for news today. If I remember it correctly, on the like east coast of like Canada or maybe US, if we'll have winter storms. Here it comes like it cannot use a web browser tools. It is kind of like blocked. So we will cover this topic later. So basically it's working now. So if you have any questions, you just let me know. Before we stop, I'm going to show you where it lives on your computer, on your laptop. So basically on macOS, you can open Finder, and if you can press like Command, Shift, and H for home, and it will open your home folder, and you can see there is a cloud folder. In the folder, it has like the basic setup of this Clawdbot, such as identity, basically the manifest of this bot. So it has access basically on the files on your Mac or maybe Windows machines. So that is a factor to make it so powerful for you. So you can use it. So if you have any questions, just comment below, and make sure to subscribe my channel, and I will update very quickly. See you next time. Bye.